This is the video answer key for the Accelerated Math Unit 4 test review assignment. Homework passes will not be accepted on this assignment. Here's the thing, an answer key is currently posted on Google Classroom. Please check your answers before watching this assignment. Don't just watch all the videos. You only need to watch the videos on problems that you got wrong. If you're stuck, please email Mrs. Nichols if you have any questions. Let's start with section 1, calculating percent basics. Mrs. Nichols buys a pack of colored pencils for $2.99 and pays 7.75% sales tax. In total, how much does she pay for the pencils? So here's what I need to know. I'm paying $2.99. And on top of that, I'm paying 7.75% sales tax. What I want to know is how much do I pay for the pencils in all? There are two ways that I could approach this problem. I could start by identifying my quantity, percent, and whole. My whole is that number that I'm starting with, $2.99. And my percent is 7.75%, which I know I should write as a decimal, 0.075. My quantity, that's the sales tax I am going to pay. So when I use my formula, quantity equals percent times whole, what I'll do is I'll take quantity equals 0.075 times 2.99. And I will get 0.22425. Now, since we're talking about money, I'm going to need to round that to the hundredths place. Even though it's 0.224, I'm going to round it to 0.23 because I'm talking about money and I owe someone 42.5% of another penny. They're going to make me give them that whole penny. So I'll say that the tax amount is 23 cents. That's not my final answer though. My final answer is how much does she pay for the pencils? So I paid $2.99 for the pencils originally, plus another 23 cents. So I'm going to pay a total of $3.22. That's one way I could have found my answer. Another way I could have found my answer is to first add my percentages. So if I think about what's actually happening here, I'm paying 100% of the price of the pencils, which is $2.99. And then I'm also paying 7.75% of that same whole. Since I'm talking about that same whole, I can add these percents together, right? Because both of these wholes represent $2.99. So 100% plus 7.75% is going to equal 107.75%. And knowing that, I'm able to find the total value by simply taking 107.75% as a decimal, 1.0775, and multiplying that by my whole, which is $2.99. And when I do that, I'll get that same amount of 3.21425, which I know I must round to $3.22.